Hello students, I am Muhammad Asim. In last lecture we started topic significant figures. Today we will continue the same topic. I took some questions from past papers. Usually this topic comes in paper 1. Paper 1 means where calculator is not allowed. See question number 1. In question number 1, this is paper 1 question. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of 8.62 multiplied by 2.04 square over 0.285. Solution. There are two requirements in this question. The first requirement is, first we have to write all the given numbers in one significant figures. See, by writing each number correct to one significant figure, and I hope you know all the rules of significant figures. Look at this, 8.62. How many significant figures are here? 3. How to convert 3 significant figure into one significant figure? Look at carefully, 8.62. 8.62 nearest to 9, very closest to 9, multiply by 2.04 square. 2.04 has 3 significant figures. So when we convert 2.04 into one significant figure, we just write 2 and square remains square. Because 2.04 is closest to 2, therefore I wrote 2 upon 0.285 has 3 significant figures. How to convert these 3 significant figures into one significant figure? Just write 0.3. Why? This is 2, and see, after 2 there is a number which is bigger than 5, therefore we have to add 1 in 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 9 multiplied by 2 square is 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4 upon 0.3. First we have to eliminate decimal point 0.3. How to eliminate 0.3 and convert it into 3? Just multiply and divide by 10. According to the rule of algebra, whenever you multiply something by any number, you must divide the same thing by the number. So whenever you multiply 0.3 by 10, so 0.3 by 10, you should divide by 10 as well, so that your number, your originality of the number is remains same. Because if you cancel 10 by 10, you will get again 0.3. Okay, 9 into 4. This is upon double fraction. So this 10 should be multiplied by the last denominator, should multiply by the numerator 10 upon, whenever you multiply 10 by 0.3, the point has vanished. So 10 into 0.3 is just 3. Finally 3 is a 9, 4 3 is a 12, and 12 10s are 120. So 120 is your final answer. I want to check the answer. Yes, 120. Students, I repeat all steps again in order to fully understand the question. Question is, by writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of this. Students, estimate means not exact, but closest to exact, not beyond exact value. Estimate means, for example, if you have 9 rupees in your pocket And if you say I have around 10 rupees in my pocket, it means you are right, because 9 rupees is closest to 10 rupees. But if you have 9 rupees in your pocket and you say I have 2 rupees in my pocket, so this is not correct and this is not estimated, because you have 9 rupees in your pocket and you are saying that you have 2 rupees in your pocket. So 2 is very beyond to 9, therefore it is not correct. So estimate means closest to the exact value. So 8.62 converted into one significant figure, because this is the requirement of the question, 9. 2.04 converted into one significant figure is 2. So 2.04 square becomes 2 square upon 0.285 converted into 0.3, because we should round off as well. Whenever we write a number correct to some significant figure, 1 or 2 or 3, whatever we have given, we should rounding off as well. So 0.285 is 0.3, and then 9, 2 2s are 4, and by eliminating decimal sign we should multiply 10 by 10. So this last denominator should multiply the numerator. So 9 into 4 into 10, and 0.3 into 10 is just 3. 3 3s are 9, 10 4s are 40, 43s are 120. So 120 is our final answer. One more thing, students, 120 is very closest to the exact answer of this. Therefore, we are saying this is our final answer. See question number 2. Estimate the value correct to one significant figure. There is a difference between question number 1 and in question number 2. In question number 1, first we must write each and every number correct to one significant figure. But in question number 2, the requirement is to give the answer correct to one significant figure. First we have to estimate the value, and then we have to give our final answer correct to one significant figure. But in this question, we must write first each and every number in in one significant figure. Okay, so now first we have to estimate 4.03 square. So 4.03 is nearest to 4. So this is 4. 29.88 is nearest to 30 upon this is square root of 150. So we have to write a number which is very closest to, we have to write a whole number which is very closest to 150, and the square root must be the whole number, not decimal. So obviously only one number, which is 144, closest to 150, and 144 square root is a whole number, not decimal number. So 4 30 4 into 30 upon what is the square root of 144? 12. Now 4 3s are 12, 3 10s are 30. Our answer is 10. Oh, I did one mistake. I am sorry. Actually, I forgot to write. Sometime teacher also can do a mistake. Actually, this is 4.03 square. I didn't consider square. So 4.03 becomes 4 and square remains square. So 4 square is 16 and this is 30 upon 12. I hope you understand. Now, cancel out 16, 30 upon 12. How to cancel out? By taking a number like 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 3 10s are 30, and 10 4s are 40. Now, see the requirement of the question. Estimate the value correct to one significant figure. Means your last answer must be in one significant figure. See this. What is our answer? Our answer is 40. How many significant figures in this 40? Only one, because this 0 has no significance. I hope you understand. Okay, now come to question number 3. Solution. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, estimate the value of. Again, this question number 3 is just like same question number 1. Because in this question, first we have to write a number in one significant figure. So the solution is 48.9. How to convert 48.9 into one significant figure? Obviously 48.9 is very closest to 50. Multiply by 0.207 is one significant figure is 0.2 only, and square is remains square, upon 3.94. Obviously 3.94 is nearest to 4. Next, 50 into 0.2 square is 0.2 into 0.2 upon 4. 50 upon 4. Again the same case like this, 0.3. Whenever we diminish, whenever we eliminate decimal, we must multiply. This is one decimal place, so we have to multiply by 10. So 50 upon 4 into 0.2 upon 10 into 10 into 0.2 upon 10 into 10. Look at carefully. This is 0.2. So we must multiply 10 and by 10, so that our answer, our previous numbers should be balanced. This is 0.2. So we must multiply by 10 and divide by 10 as well. Now, finally, see carefully, this is 50. 0.2 into 10, 2. 0.2 into 10, 2. Upon. This is 4. Multiply by 10. Multiply by 10. Now, this 0 cancel by this 0. 5 into 2 to the 4 upon this is 4 into 10, which is remaining only. So 4 cancel by 4. 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10 is 0.5. But I must see the answer. Yes, the answer is 0.5. So I hope you understand the requirement of the question. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, first we have to write each and every number correct to one significant figures. The main thing is to convert this 0.2 into 2. So how to convert 0.2 into 2? Multiply by 10 and divide by 10. Why we multiply by 10 and divide by 10? Because we want to have balance the number. So if you multiply by something, you must divide by something. If you add something, you must subtract something. This is the rule of algebra. Now, see some more questions related to this topic. See this question, number 4. By writing each number correct to two significant figures, estimate correct to one significant figure the value of this. So there are two requirements. First, we have to write each and every number into two significant figure, and then we have to give our final answer in one significant figure. So what is the question? 110.94 excuse me, minus 0.2034 multiplied by 368.62 is square root. So 110.94 has 5 significant figures. It can become 110.94 becomes 2 significant figures are only 1, 1, 0 because this 0 has no significance. Minus 0.2034 converted into 0.20 because you know, according to the rule of significant figure, this 0 has significance. Multiply by this is 368.62, so this becomes 370 because this 0 has no significance. Now 110 minus 0.20, this is very important. 110 minus, this is 2 decimal place, so we must multiply and divide by 100. Whenever you have 1 decimal place, you must multiply by 10 and divide by 10, but whenever you have 2 decimal place, you must multiply 100 and divide by 100. So 0.20 upon 100 multiply by 100, and this 370 remains 370, and this is your square root. Now 110 minus 0.20 into 100 becomes 20, okay, into 370 upon 100 square root. See carefully, this 0 cancel by this 0 and this 0 cancel by this 0. So 110 minus 37 2s are 74. What is the answer of 110 minus 74? 36. And you know the square root of 36 is 6. See the requirement. The requirement is, first we have to write each and every number correct to 2 significant figures, then give the final answer in 1 significant figure. So this is 2 significant figure, 2 significant figure, 2 significant figure, and our final answer is 6, which have 1 significant figure. Now see next question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is part A. Express to 2 significant figures. Part 1. 15823.769. Student, how many significant figures there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have to convert these 8 significant figures into 2 significant figures. Now read in descriptive form. This is 15,823.769. So 15,823 is very closest to 16,000, and in 16,000 there are only 2 significant figures because all these 3 zeros have no significance. Therefore our requirement has fulfilled. 16,000 is very closest to 15,823. See part 2. Part 2 is 0.0030489 is very closest to 0. These 2 zeros has no significance, this 3 has significance, and this 0 has also significance, because if you see the decimal, then after the decimal, if you see the non-zeros, and after non-zeros, 0 has significance. Therefore 2 significant figures has the answer, 0.0030. Okay, now come to part B. use your answer to part A estimate correct to one significant figure the value of 15823.769 multiply by 0.00304889. Solution. This is very easy. We have to use, according to the requirement of the question, we use the answer of part A. See, 15,823 becomes 16,000 in part A. So the solution is 16,000. This is multiplied by sign, this is multiplied by sign. 0.00304889 becomes 0.0030. 0.0030. Now we have to multiply how many decimals? Correct to 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal place. So if you have 4 decimal place, you must multiply by 4 zeros and divide by 4 zeros. See, if you have 1 decimal place, you must multiply by 10. If you have 2 decimal places, you must multiply and divide by 100. And if you have 4 decimal places, you must multiply and divide by 10,000. Now 16,000 multiply by 0.0030 multiply by 10000 becomes 30. Divide by 10,000. So these 30 cancel by these 30 and this 0 cancel by this 0. What is the answer? 16 multiplied by 3, which is 48. But the requirement is to give the answer in one significant figure. So 48 very close is to 50, and in 50 there is only one significant figure. This is our answer. Hope students you understand this question. See question number 6. These are all past papers questions. Question number 6 is part A. Express correct to two significant figures. Part 1, 386.71. Student, how many significants there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how to convert 386.71 into two significant figures? Yes, you know 386.71 is very, very closest to 390. And in 390 there are two significant figures. So this is our answer. Part 2, 0.02049. How many significants? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore our answer is 0.0. This 0 has no significance, this 0 has no significance, 2 is one significant, and then this 0 has also significant. So there are two significant figures, which is our requirement. Hence this is our answer. Part B. Hence estimate correct to one significant figures the value of 386.71 multiplied by 0.02049. Very easy. Student, whenever you see the word hence in next part, like in part B, it means you must take the help from previous part. So hence estimate correct to one significant figure the value of this. What we have done in part A, 386.71 converted into 390. So this is 390 multiplied by 0.02049 converted is 0.020. Now see, this is correct to 1 to 3 decimal places. So we must multiply and divide by 1000. So this is 390. 0.020 multiplied by 1000 is 20 upon 1000. This 0 cancel by this 0, this 0 cancel by this 0. So 39 multiplied by 2 upon 10 is remaining. 39 multiplied by 2 is 78, and 78 upon 10 you must know 7.8. But this is not our final answer because the requirement is to give the answer in one significant figures. Therefore 7.8, which is very nearest to 8. So 8 is our answer. I hope you understand. See question number 7. Question number 7 is estimate correct to one significant figure the value of 43.95812 minus 28.34075. Solution. Estimate correct to one significant figure means first you have to estimate, then you have to write the answer in one significant figure. So 43.95812 closest to 44 minus 28.34075 closest to 28. 44 minus 28 is what? 16. But this is not our final answer. We have to give the answer in one significant figure. Therefore 16 is closest to 20. This is our final answer. Hope you understand. See question number 8. Estimate correct to one significant figures the value of 0.0123 multiplied by 5040. So student, again we first estimate and then write the answer in one significant figure. So 0.0123 is closest to 0.012 and 5040. 5040 is closest to 5000. How much correct to? This is correct to 3 decimal places. So we must multiply and divide by 1000. So 0.012 multiply by 1000 and divide by 1000 as well in order to balance. So 1000 multiplied by 0.1012 is 12, and 30 cancel by 30, and 12 multiplied by 5 only. 12 5 is 60, and 60 has one significant figure, and this is our requirement. Now see question number 9. What is question number 9 is, part 1, express correct to two significant figures. Part A, 249.526. So 249.526 is very closest to 250, and in 250 there are only two significant figures, therefore this is our answer. Part 2, 0.040375. So how many significants? 1 2 3 4 5. Convert it into 2, just 0.040. This is our answer. Part 2 is hence estimate correct to one significant figure, find the value of, what is the question? 249.526 multiplied by 0.040375. Solution. Again, whenever we see the word hence in next part, it means we should take the help from the previous part. So 249.526 in previous part becomes 250, and 0.040375 in previous part becomes 0.040. So 250, this is closest, this is nearest to 1000. So the answer is we must multiply nearest to 3 decimal places, so we must multiply by 1000 and 10,000. 1 2 3, this is called 3 decimal places. So 250 into 0.040 multiplied by 1000 becomes 40 upon 1000. This 0 cancel by this 0, this 0 cancel by this 0. 25 4s are 100, 100 divided by 10. Again this 0 cancel by this 0, answer is 10. And what is the requirement? The requirement is to give the answer correct to one significant figure. Okay. See next question number 10. Question number 10 is, estimate the value of 30 upon 0.049 giving your answer correct to one significant figure. Solution. Again, first we have to estimate, then we have to give the final answer in one significant figures. So this is 30. We have to eliminate the decimal. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal places. So we must multiply by 1000 and divide by 1000. Is equals to this last denominator should becomes numerator. So 30 into 1000 divided by 0049 multiply by 1000 becomes 49. Now next answer is, this is 30, this is 10,000, this is 1000, and 49 can be right 50 because we are doing estimation. So 0 cancel to 0, 5 6 are 30, 6 into 100 is 600. So 600 is our final answer, and in 600 there is only one significant figure. I hope you understand. Answer. See one more question. Question number 11. Student, I have taken all these questions from previous past papers, older past papers and new past papers as well. See question number 11. Estimate correct to one significant figure, the value of 131.2 multiply 0.4045. Solution. Again, first we have to estimate, then we have to give final answer in one significant figure. So 131.2 closes to 130 and 0.4045 closes to 0.40. 130, 0.40, this is 2 decimal places, so we must multiply and divide by 100. 130 multiply by this becomes 40, and this is 100. This 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 cancel. 13 4s are 52, and 52 closes to 50, and this is our requirement because we have to give the answer in one significant figure. Okay. Last question of today's class, question number 12. Question number 12 is, estimate the value of giving your answer correct to one significant figures. 10900 multiply by 0.0442. So first we have to estimate, then we have to give the answer in one significant figure. This is 10,900. So this becomes 11,000 because 10,900 is very close to 11,000. and this is 0.044. So we must write 0.044. Next step is, this is 3 decimal places, so we must multiply and divide by 1000. Why we divide as well? Because we want to have our question in balance. So 11,000, this becomes 44 upon 1000, 30 cancel by 30. 11 multiplied by 44 is 484. But these are 3 significant figures and we give the answer in 1 significant figures. So 484 is very closest to 500. Therefore, this is our final answer. So student, this is our today's class, and I fully hope that after today's class you are fully understand about the topic significant figures. We have done lot of questions from this topic, and today's class we have done 12 questions from past papers and older past papers and new past papers as well. Kindly do practice more and more and more, and if you feel any difficulty in any part or any question related to this topic significant figures, write in comment box. Surely I will help you. Student, one more request, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, press the bell icon button and share my videos to your friend as well. I hope you understand today's class. We will be continuing next O-level topic in next class. Okay student, see you later.